Everybody, it's Natasha and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a keto biscuit that I make several times a week, maybe 2 or 3 times a week because it's so good. And again, I'm not about the recipes. I am not a good cook. I'm not a cook per se, but these are recipes I find online. So this one is from the Diet Chef online. I can leave the link below. He has lots of good recipes. But my point is to show that you can do anything in the air fryer fast and easy. And this is something like if I'm eating dinner and I feel a little peckish, I'll just mix it up quickly, put it in the air fryer. By the time I'm finished dinner, it's ready to go. Great to have with coffee. But let's get started. Let me show you how easy it is. It's like 5 minutes or less. And by the time you finish eating dinner, or if you want something in the morning, you have fresh biscuits to eat with cheese. And they're yummy and they're not very fattening. By keto standards, that is. All right, so let's get started. Let me show you how to make these keto biscuits. So let's get started. So this is what we need, okay? So we have a bowl. We need 1.5 cup almond flour, right? Because this is keto, so this is what we're using. So 1.5 cup almond flour. Now, for the original recipe, when the Diet Chef talks about it, let me get my cheese here, sorry. He processed this. So the 1.5 cup almond flour, we have 1/2 cup mozzarella cheese. It's a thing as well with keto, mozzarella cheese. And we need baking soda, 1 tablespoon. Right, baking soda. So what he does is usually he processes this in the processor. And I used to do that as well. I'm trying to make a big difference, so hey. Right? But you can if you want to. It's just you put in a processor for like, half a second and that's it. It just blends it all up together. But I'm just going to do it because it's all about being efficient and fast, right? So if you have to pull out another appliance, that just takes time. So no, you don't need to, okay? So that's it. So you need 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. I don't know what would happen if you don't use unsalted butter. It has cheese in it, so cheese is salty, so it's good to reduce the salt, I guess, if you can. 2 eggs. Right, you mix this together. This is it. And I don't think it's a problem if you just want to mix them all here, right? Because if you're in a hurry, you have 5 minutes, you just mix it all together. I think that's fine. Okay, and sour cream. 1/2 cup of sour cream. You can do sour cream if you want sour cream. Then you can do Greek yogurt. That's fine. As a substitute for sour cream. I've done that before. Okay. So that's it. So here we have 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1/2 cup sour cream, or you can use Greek yogurt, and 2 eggs. That's it. Look at that. You mix it up. That's it. Good. Right. This looks good by itself, actually. Okay, and then you're going to put it in here. Okay? Look how easy that is. If I wasn't taking my time, I'll be finished already, right? That's it. That's it. I'm going to mix it up. Here we go. And this is it. This is the biscuit, right? It's less than 5 minutes and you have fresh biscuit. And you're not going to even turn on the oven. Look at that. All right. So this is it. It's mixed. That is it. I think the difference is if you process it, then it'll be a little bit less lumpy because, of course, the cheese will be blended in. But the cheese is going to melt anyway, right? So, all right. So this is it. Our biscuit is finished. Now we're going to get our air fryer ready. We need, of course, parchment paper. I'm going to put it in. So let's do it. It's always good to put them on parchment paper so they won't stick. So sometimes I'll put it on a container like this, put the parchment paper on it, and put it in. And sometimes I'll just put the parchment paper directly in to the air fryer and just put them in like that, right? So no wrong or right way of doing this. So let's put these in. And you can put them in big or small. Sometimes I make them really small and sometimes I make them really big. So whichever way you want them. Okay. So here they are. Here are the biscuits. And then we're going to put them in the air fryer. And we're going to put the biscuits in for the temperature of 325. And we're going to put it for 15 minutes. Okay. And after this 15 minutes, I'll show you what they look like. And usually I turn them so the next side can get brown as well. But 15 minutes, 325 degrees in the air fryer. For the original recipe, it said 400 minutes. But of course, that's in an oven. So I'm going to do something else while this makes me fresh biscuits, right? Okay, so we have 5 minutes left. So I put it for 15 minutes, 325. Right now it looks brown. So I'm just going to turn them here. I think when I put them for more time, it's usually I put it for 275. But at this rate, just look at that, right? So this side needs to be, and usually I use my hand. I'm trying to be professional here. But yeah, so look, so one side, the next side. So I'm just going to turn it over for the last 5 minutes. And we'll get that side all nice and brown as well. And then fresh, it smells so good. So the air fryer is finishing up the biscuits. So I have my nice little stand here. And yes, you can put it on a plate, you can put it on a stand, whatever makes it nice for you. Nothing is wrong with putting something on a fancy dish and to enjoy it. Right? We have to live every day. So this is it. Look at that. So the next side is now brown and crispy. This side is brown. So let's put them out here. And as usual, my mouth is watering, right? Look. So nice little biscuits. This one I broke. But I'm just going to show you. So there they are. Look. It's just nice and soft inside. Just let it cool. Look at that. Nice, creamy. So you see, you can see the cheese because I didn't process it. But once it's cooled, you won't see that. But this is it. This is the nice, it's, you know, you can sit there and have this with some cheese, some coffee, whatever. But it's fresh biscuits. It took about 15 minutes to make them. Thank you for watching. I'll link the recipe down below for the keto biscuit. I hope you try them and you like them. Leave a comment. Tell me how they are. I am going to go have some of this right now with some coffee and cheese under the tree outside. It's fall here and it's beautiful. I'll post the picture so you can see. But yes, staple, have it. I have it like almost every day with cheese, with coffee. It's the best. Okay? Hope you have fun making it, and I'll see you next time. And again, anything you want me to try in the air fryer, let me know, because it's all about the air fryer. Not about the recipes, what you can do in the air fryer. Okay? Have a good day, everyone. Bye.